know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey, what is good, everybody? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I'm coming back with you guys with yet another vid for you guys. And I know it's been kind of lackluster, but not really. I've been trying to put out as much content as possible. Then again, you know, I'm doing other things. I have a lot of other things that I'm doing as well. Just so much is happening all at once, so I'm trying to see the better method of how I can release these videos so maybe a bit quicker, and putting out other stuff as well. So other than that, I've just been working on YouTube, school work, and other works along the way that will help me progress in what I gotta do. That's been going on so far. Just a little quick update. I have acquired some pieces over the span of time from my last video, so I copped a few more things. So it's been super cool, just like copying more things, more and more stuff, more items. And I'm just like, hey, I got a lot of these items, might as well just put it into a video. So this is gonna be a pickups video, not necessarily like a week one Supreme pickups video. It's just gonna be more of just like what I picked up over the course of time. So yeah, and before we get started into this video, make sure you guys go subscribe to the Comeback Kid as usual. Also leave a like on this vid if you love me doing more content like this, and ring the bell to get notified whenever the content does come through to you guys. So that's enough of me chattering. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram and Twitter at NiceMike, nice with 2 E's _ Mike, and let's get started on this. So you already know I'm pretty excited about, you know, acquiring some of the things that I got. I got a Palace hat. If you guys don't know what Palace is, it is a brand I think it's in London, maybe UK, somewhere. It's a skateboard brand, just like Supreme, but it's with a P. So as you see right here, it's the tan hat. And this one actually did sell out a lot quicker than the others, which I'm pretty happy about. But also, I was kind of let down because the hat that was shown in pictures looked a lot brighter than it is in person. So I was pretty bummed out about that, and I was like, man, this does not look like anything like the pictures. And I was thinking about selling it, but I was like, you know what? It's cool. I could figure out some pieces to wear with this, and I just might as well just keep it. So yeah, this, if you see right here, it's just the Palace hat, Palace tag right there. You already know the deal is. Cool Palace hat, it's a strap back. And I do like my strap back kind of like tied like this, so you put it over and then you put it over again, because sometimes I do like wearing it backwards. So it shows off this little tag right here, and if I want to wear it frontwards, I wear it frontwards. So other than that, I did get some things from week one Supreme. So if you guys see right here, this is the Zippo lighter, the glow in the dark one. I want to open this up, I really do, but I might resell it, so I don't know yet. So that one's gonna have to, like, you know, be in its package. And also I got a cool pack of stickers and everything. It's got the Naomi sticker, the Supreme paint sticker, and your Supreme box logo sticker. So, you know, the usual week one stuff, the usual Supreme items that you get with stickers and everything. So nothing too crazy. And then also, if you guys didn't know, this season is coming with ballpark ponchos, so it's rain resistant. So when it's raining, you just wear these and, you know, flex the box logo just a little bit, but nothing too crazy. It does come with a free item, and this is the free gift as well as the poncho. I don't know really what I'm gonna do with these. Usually with free gifts, I don't really know. I usually just raffle them, use them for a giveaway video or something, so I don't really do much with it. I heard it's doing pretty okay as far as selling, so I might sell them, I might not, I don't know. And we got some more stuff right here, week one. Let me open these up for you guys. It is a lot of stuff. I'm already knowing it's gonna be like a lot of tees because I required a lot of tees during that week. So this is my second order. I also got the Naomi sticker, and looks like something else. I can't see what it is. Oh, it's the Love by Children sticker and your other box logo sticker. I have acquired another one of these free gifts, so that's 2. Yes, so this is the Naomi tee. This is in a small blue. So this is the Naomi tee. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing with this. I'm probably going to sell it because it's not my size, and not only that, this item I think is still sitting, but not in smalls. I was fortunate enough to actually acquire this item in a small, so because I was just like super panicking. If you watch my other live cop, like, it did not go well at all. Nothing went according to plan. And then I have this black cat tee. Oh my god, yes. I'm gonna actually open this one up for y'all because this is gonna be mine anyway, so it doesn't even matter. All right, so yeah, this right here, guys, is the Supreme black cat tee. Didn't know. It's a nice little thing going on. You know, you got your Black Cat Supreme on it. Super simple, clean. Obviously I have Black Cat 4s. I'm gonna wear these with this shirt. It's It's gonna look super dope. If I can acquire a black cat, I will, and I'll post it in a picture. I'll post it on Instagram. Know the flex. You already know what the deal is, but I acquired this for the personal because I just thought it was a simple tee. Animals are dope, and yeah, super clean, super crisp. Nothing wrong with it. Can't go wrong with simplicity, because simplicity is key. So that's the main reason why I got this item. It was just something simple, cool. Definitely gonna be worn a lot during the summer. And yes, this is another package for me. So this is from the same week 1. Oh, there's a new sticker, the cat T sticker, and I also have a bling Supreme sticker. I have no idea how much these are going for. So I have a box logo sticker and a Supreme bling sticker. You guys can tell me in the comments down below like how much these are worth, because I have no idea. I didn't even know they were making these. So that's actually a surprise to me. So I got a new box logo sticker, so that's kind of cool, because I have the Undercover Public Enemy sticker and now I have this one, so it's pretty cool. And your boy has acquired another free gift. So that's the third one, guys. It's the third one. That is really sicko mode. I acquired 3 of them. I have no idea how much like the stock is on those, but I just know people sell it. They're not doing too bad, so who knows what I might do with it, but one of them might be just given away. This is the bling tee. You guys see this right here. It's just a bling tee. Like I said, I'm not gonna take it out of the package for resale purposes, but this is the bling tee. I'll leave a picture somewhere over on the screen, but yeah. This is the Supreme bling tee. It's in black. It is a large. This will be added to the inventory, as well as the Naomi tee. So usually I'm just collecting stock right now, sell it for later, so I can, you know, get some type of profit off of it. But it is what it is. I know a lot of these shirts are bricking, so it's not really, you know, that big of a deal right now. But trust me, once it gets warmer, a lot of people will try to seek items such as t-shirts and tank tops, shorts, so on and so forth. I thought the design was okay. I wasn't really a huge fan of it. It looks like something you would honestly find at like Zoom or something. I thought it was like, you know, it's whatever. So it was kind of an impulse buy. It's a size large though, so larges do pretty okay. Smalls do pretty well, so that's why I got those 2. And the medium is obviously for me, the personal with the black cat tees, so sidebar. Also, another item that I have acquired was the Richie Lee cargo pants. So if you guys don't know what this is, let me show the label, obviously, because, you know, this is his label. There we go. So if you guys don't know who Richie Lee is, he's YouTuber. He does like reviews on sneakers, hype talk, along with his bros, and they just talk about like clothing, what's trending, what to wear, what not to wear with certain things, so on and so forth. Richie Lee's been doing this for many years now, and he actually started his own line of clothing, which I thought was super dope. Of course, I'm going to support the guy. I'm like, you know what, I need more pants. I keep saying that in every video. Let me go and get some pants. So I got these in black. These are the cargo pants, size medium. I would say they fit true to size. I'm like a 32 now in like pants, so these are medium. These are like 31 to 32, so these fit me actually pretty well. They have an elastic waistband. They have a long, super long drawstring, and not only that, I have it right here. They also come with an extra set of metal aglets if the ones on the pants fall out. So I thought that was super cool. I'm not gonna go in too depth with this. You know, you got your side pockets right here, pockets on the bottom as well. Like I said, drawstring, and they have the back pockets right here. I was contemplating on getting either the olive green or the black, but I already have olive green pants, and I already have black like pants, but the black ones I don't really wear that much. So I was like, you know what? Let me go get some black cargo pants, because that at least will go with everything. I love cargo pants. They're really trending right now. So if you were able to get a pair of cargo pants, I would definitely consider his collection. However, all of his stuff sold out, I believe. So I don't know when restock is, so I can't really tell you guys for sure. Make sure you go check him out at Richie Lee. I follow him on IG. I subscribe to him on YouTube, all that jazz. So make sure you guys go support his collection. Super dope. I was actually surprised of how fast they sold out. I didn't think they were gonna sell it that fast, but they did. They sold out, I think, within maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. I was actually happy to even get a pair. My homie was going to get one as well, but he was at work. He got called in early, so he was not able to take the W. If you guys want me to do a review on these pair of cargos, I for surely will. I would be glad to. My thoughts and what I think is super great about the pants, and what I think can, you know, can change about the pants that can make them even better. So yeah, that is basically all the items I have copped thus far. So yeah, kind of a bit, but not really. Most of it was Supreme Week 1 items. One of them was a Palace item, and then we got Richie Lee cargo pants. So But yes, that's the items that I have acquired the past time ever since the last video. So yeah, just a couple things, nothing too crazy. That is the end of the video. I would like to say thank you guys for watching. Of course, the Life Cock Week 2 video will be coming soon. I think I'm probably gonna do this one first because it's gonna be shorter. It takes like a lot of focus for me to do because it's screen recorded on my laptop and I have to match it up with this. You can already tell how finicky it can kind of get. So yeah, this will probably drop first for you guys, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go subscribe to your boy as always. It's Mikey. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Nice Mike, nice with 2 E's, _Mike, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Really trying to get away. 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 Really trying to get away.